Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know, I'm back with another video. Please make sure that you like and comment and subscribe. I keep saying it. Do it, okay? Thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. Let's get into the video. So today I am doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. Basically, you have 5 minutes to try to beat your face like you regularly do. And I'm most likely gonna fail this challenge because my eyebrows alone take 30 minutes. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with 5 minutes. But nevertheless, we're gonna try this challenge and see how it goes. But first, let me wipe my face off. Because a fresh canvas I always like to wipe my face off. My face can either be very dry or very oily. Either way. Let's apply some Carmex. Some lip balm. So here's my cell phone. Let me go to my timer. Okay. It's on 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. 5 minutes, 0 seconds, and start. Okay, so coconut oil first. Duh. So I always gotta moisturize. Always. Ooh, that's not enough. Whatever. It's gonna be enough today. Okay. Get my mirror. Definitely need a mirror. Okay. Eyebrows first. Eyebrows first. Quick little. Come on. I can do this. I believe I can at least finish. What y'all think? No? Y'all don't have faith in me? I got faith in me. I'm talking because I'm nervous. I feel like I can do this. You can do it. Okay, that looks horrible. Okay. They don't have to be perfect. Okay. Decent is the key. As long as they look decent, it's okay. Okay. Come on. Why are you taking so long on your eyebrows? They're the key. Okay. I think this is gonna have to do. Okay. They look decent. Okay. What next? I do eyeliner next. This is really the order that I go in. Okay, good. Okay, foundation. Okay. Hurry up. Oh, that's too much. Too close to my eyebrow. Okay, here's my brush. What's our time right now? Oh my gosh, I only have 2 minutes left. What the heck? Where did the time go? Okay. I look decent. Decent is the key. That's the key. Okay. I think I want a little a little bit of a concealer. Oh my gosh. Where's my blender? What's my time? Oh, 1 minute and 24 seconds. Come on. Come on. You got this. If I do this under 5 minutes, then I have no reason to take 30 minutes doing my makeup ever again. For real. I'm gonna try to do mascara. Okay. Do I look okay? I look okay. Okay, what am I doing? Contour. Just a little contour. Where's my contour brush? Okay. Just a little, nothing special. The key is to look decent. Okay? You're just trying to look decent. That's it. Yeah. Okay. I think I look okay. What is it? What time is it? Ah! Okay. Okay. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. Lip gloss. Done. Okay. Okay. So I think I did okay. It like definitely looks not blended. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. What the heck? It definitely doesn't look blended, and this is like the plainest. I'm looking at anything. Yeah, this is like the plainest beat I can get in 5 minutes. So what would y'all rate this in the comment section below? Give me 1 to 5, because I definitely know it ain't no 10. Ain't nothing past 5, so don't even try to boost me up. But what is this, 1 to 5? Like, is this an acceptable beat? Like, you know, it looks natural though, but it's definitely, there's no eyelashes, there's no whatever you call it when you define the eyebrows, there's no eyeshadow, period. Didn't contour the nose. Like, I didn't even do no highlight, nothing. Like, if I had to do my makeup in 5 minutes though, this would be okay. Like, you know, but I could have did better. It's okay though, whatever. But that is my 5-minute makeup challenge, you guys. Give me some challenges in the comment section or something. Like, y'all know I'm not big on wearing makeup. Like, I'm not no makeup artist, so all of that heavy makeup stuff that y'all probably want to see, like a cut crease and this, that, and the other, I don't do that type of stuff. So these beauty videos are more so gonna be challenges or me doing get ready with me's or something like that. But give me some ideas below if you want to see certain stuff. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.